Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years. We're dedicated to delivering quality auto parts, expert customer service, fast and free shipping, all backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. So visit us at 1AAuto.com, your trusted source for quality auto parts.
In this video, we're going to be working with our 2002 Chevy Suburban. We're going to show you how to remove and replace an automatic transmission mount in this vehicle. If you like this video, please click subscribe. We have a ton more information on this and many other vehicles. And if you ever need parts for your car, you can follow the link down in the description over to 1AAuto.com. Here are the items you'll need for this repair. Raise and support your vehicle. We're using a lift to make it easier to show you guys what's going on at home, but this job can easily be done in the driveway or your garage with a jack and jack stands. Your transmission mount is located on the transmission crossmember, which is just behind the exhaust pipe coming off the cats toward the front of the vehicle. Normally, you would feel a clunk or hear a clunk. There may be a delay when switching between gears due to a bad transmission mount. You can check this by rocking it back and forth in drive and reverse, or if yours is bad enough, like ours is, you can lift the entire transmission with a pry bar. Fortunately, this part is easy to change, and we should be able to get our Suburban back up and road ready in just a little bit. Remove the two 15mm nuts securing the transmission mount to the transmission crossmember. These can be reached through the access hole in the center. We'll use a 15mm socket, ratchet, and extension to remove these. You can then remove the two 15mm bolts securing the top of the transmission mount to the transmission. We're not going to remove these fully though. We're going to get them so they're only a few threads in and then jack up our transmission. We're using a screw jack, but if you're doing this on the ground, you can use a floor jack for this process and a block of wood to lift up on the tail cone of the transfer case. Bring it up as high as you can. And finish removing the bolts for your transmission mount. Ours is pretty bad. Yours shouldn't fall off like that. Once the bolts are out, we'll jack up the transmission a little bit higher. You should have just a little more room here. We'll then sneak the transmission mount out of the crossmember. Install your new transmission mount. Carefully lower the transmission back into place. Don't rest it on there fully just yet. We do still want a little bit of room to maneuver and line everything up. Reinstall our two bolts. Tighten them back down with the 15mm socket and ratchet. Lower your transmission off of the jack. Reinstall your two 15mm nuts with a 15mm socket, ratchet, and extension. Just to show you the difference, that's all the movement you should get out of a good mount. You can now lower your vehicle off your jack and stands, and you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.